I'm Carly with Avid Armor, and today I'm going to show you how to vacuum seal a pouch with the Cellar Series Reserve Chamber Vacuum Sealer. The first thing you want to do before you start vacuum sealing is you're going to want to check your vacuum and seal time settings. If you press this check mark button, it's going to show that 50 seconds is the default vacuum time. If you need to adjust that, you can use the plus and minus arrows on the machine. If you press it again, you're going to see 1.5 is the seal time settings that we recommend for Avid Armor vacuum seal pouches. Once you have your desired settings, you're going to hit the check mark again, and then you're ready to load your pouches. When you're ready to vacuum seal pouches, you're going to want to grab your chamber shelf. Because of the depth of the Cellar Series, you're going to utilize this to hold your pouches in place. So you can use this at different orientations depending on the size bag that you want to use. If you're going to use a smaller bag, you're going to place it into the chamber like this, which allows you to lay the bags across the top of it, and it's going to hold it up similar to a shelf. For our demonstration today, we're going to be using a 10 by 13 bag, so we're actually going to flip it over and put it in this way. And then we're going to use this magnetic adjuster to help hold the bag in place. And again, you can use this in any way, and you might have to get creative with it, but it really allows you to use different size pouches and do different size portions. Once you have your chamber shelf in place where you want it, you're going to grab your pouch, put it into the chamber. And as I mentioned, I'm going to use the little magnetic adjuster to make sure that the pouch is going to stand upright. And then you're going to make sure the opening of the pouch goes over the seal bar. Then you're just going to close the lid. You're going to press the vacuum button and apply pressure to the sides to make sure that the vacuum engages. Once the cycle is done, you're going to open the lid and check the seal to make sure that it's sealed and consistent all the way across. And you have a vacuum sealed pouch.